Congratulations! You have found the source of confidential machining. We are specialized in producing precision parts. Our company is Shenghao Metal CNC Machining. With more than 20 years of industry experience, we have advanced processing equipment, CNC machining centers. Our industry masters have more than 10 years of experience. Our factory mainly produces aluminum alloy appearance parts, precision parts, structural parts. The process materials include stainless steel, titanium alloys, mold steel, aluminum alloys, precision instrument and equipment parts, alloy steel and other materials, military parts, and medical machinery parts. We have perfect quality assurance and testing equipment. The quality and delivery of our metal parts are guaranteed.